How heavy household water use affects septic tanks. If your home is like most, there are days when the water seems to run non-stop. Loads of laundry, long showers, dishes stacked in the sink, kids home from school. It's never ending. And that puts stress on your septic system. When too much water enters the tank too quickly, the system doesn't get enough time to treat the water. Why water volume matters. For a septic system, unlike a city sewer system, a septic system has a limited capacity. Think of the tank like a settling chamber. Solids sink, oils rise, and the water in the middle moves on to the drain field. When too much water enters at once, the system can't keep up. When a tank gets behind, it leads to diluted bacterial activity, solids going to the drain field, and backups in the house. Central Florida's naturally high water table makes this even trickier. During raining season, there is even less room for the leach field to properly filter wastewater. Everyday activities that add up quickly. Some of the most common sources of septic overload come from everyday household routines. Laundry day. Overload. Spacing out loads of laundry, especially in rainy days, is essential. Long or frequent showers. We know sometimes you can't get around it, especially with everyone getting ready for the day. Make sure to avoid also running the dishwasher, sprinklers, or laundry at the same time. Frequent guests or family visits. That doesn't mean no hosting. It just means be aware of the signs your septic is in distress. Dishwashers and kitchen cleanup. Run the dishwasher overnight when showers and laundry aren't needed. Water softeners and filtration systems. Some systems discharge water into the septic tank during regeneration cycles. The good news? You don't have to change your life to protect your septic system. Instead, focus on small changes. Spread out water-heavy tasks. Fix leaks quickly. Invest in high-efficiency appliances. Know where your drain field is, and keep an eye for warning signs, like puddles. At Advanced Septic Services, we are here to help Central Florida homeowners. Call us today at 352-242-6100.